10 out of 200 hours of laying timber, I was like, why did I decide this? Morning, it's 7:30 Wednesday morning here on site, and today painting is all complete and the Sparkies have finished a lot of their work. So the very next step is hard flooring. So that includes a wooden overlay that we have purchased, and it also includes tiles. 80 square meters of wood flooring to go down at the start of the project. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, I'm a builder, I can do it all. Right now, I'm feeling like, what the heck was I thinking? But it's way too late to change my mind, especially considering we have the product on site. I'm pretty well committed. Let's get some flooring down.
The production levels and everything on shows like that, really similar in terms of just...
It's these cupboards and stuff that take the longest to get started. It's because we're trying to get a nice straight line the whole way down here. Morning, it's Thursday morning on site. It's a cold, wet day outside. There's 6 of us on site and we are going hard installing tiles and flooring. We have 900 meters of this beach overlay to go down. Started off yesterday in the bathroom, as always very tricky getting started, but we are making good progress and should put a solid dent in it over the next couple of days. Honestly, I probably would be reluctant to do timber again. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of maintenance, but you cannot beat the natural look. And it's one of the things, whenever people walk in here, the first thing they say is, I love the floors. Personally, I've got a love-hate relationship with these floors, because once they're down, it's hard not to be precious about them, you know, because the amount of time that it took to install, and then you've got to like polish it, and then you got to use special cleaners. But if you want that warm, natural look, and also it's like nice to walk around on, opposed to some of the other hard floors like vinyl plank or polished concrete, it's much nicer on your feet. It just feels more natural. Being a carpenter, I wanted a timber floor. This one here is sustainably grown beech from down south. Got it via a company called Health Based Building. If I was going to do this again, I would go for a wider product. I wouldn't be opposed to an oak as well. I think I like the look of that, like the lighter, whiter look I really like as well. So that would be something I'd consider in the future. Coco seems to love it though. She's not opposed to just sleeping anywhere in here on the floor, plonks herself down in any old spot. The entranceway and the kitchen were hard flooring, and then I thought it was going to be real dumb to walk on carpet to go from those areas. So from the back door to the bathroom to the entranceway to the kitchen, I was just like, I want all of that to be hard floors. This video's all about flooring. Fire out, that's so cheesy.
It's good though.